Look at the circle to your left. This is going to be our first example circle. It's a 2-inch diameter circle. And what we're going to do is we have the inside heights labeled at 60 degrees, 45 degrees, and 30 degrees. What we're going to do is use these as inside diameters of the ball and see what the circumferences are for the ball at that position. And then we're going to see where that same measurement will get us on the main circle of our ball. Now, whenever you multiply 2 by pi, that will tell you where 360 degrees is, right? Every time you multiply the main diameter by pi, that position will be the 360 degree position. But it's also 6.235382907 inches. Now you can use any ratio you would like. For pi, you'll still get the same results. Whenever you move down to 60 degrees, inside it's 1.732050876. When you multiply that by pi, you get the answer 5.4 inches. Now, at 60 degrees on the ball, 5.4 inches is the circumference all the way around at this point. Then we move down to 45 degrees. The inside height here of our circle is equal to the square root of 2, 1.4142135624. When you multiply that by pi, you'll get the square root of 19.44. Okay, and that will equal the circumference at 45 degrees all the way around. Now, moving down to 30 degrees, the inside height inside the ball or circle is 1 inch tall. This position is always equal to the radius. This inside height will always equal the radius of the circle or ball. Now, whenever we take 1 and multiply it by pi, you'll get 3.117691456. That is the circumference at 30 degrees all the way around. Now, let's go back to the beginning. Whenever you multiply the main diameter of the circle or ball by pi, that will always tell you where 360 degrees is located on your circle, correct? Let's move down to 60 degrees. This 5.4 inch circumference we got for the ball right here. 5.4 inches will get you on the main circle to 311.76914,536 degrees. Every circle, every ball, every time, this position times pi, that measurement will get you, it will equal 311.76914,536 degrees. Moving down to 45 degrees. When we multiplied it by pi, our answer was equal to the square root of 19.44. Now that, whenever you measure it on the main circle, it's equal to 4.40908, and it will get you to 254.55844,12272 degrees. Okay, and then lastly, 30 degrees. At 30 degrees, it was 1 inch tall. Our circumference at the ball position was 3.1176914,536. And that measurement will always get you to 180 degrees on your main circle or section of the ball. Okay, so the diameter will always, the answer will always equal where 360 degrees is. The 60 degree position will always equal where 311.76914,536 is. The 45 degree position will always tell you where 254.55844,12272 degrees is on the main circle. And lastly, the 30 degree inside height multiplied by pi will always equal where 180 degrees is on your circle. Okay, now